What's up, guys? Mike Shen here with Michigan Muscle. I've got some kind of exciting, kind of sad news for you, but we'll get to that later in the video. First, before I get started, I want to give a huge shout out to Graceful Gears that work with Camaro Cancer Institute. It's a great charity. They essentially give rides to cancer patients, people in need, in awesome cars and Ferraris and McLarens and whatever else to make their days better and try to distract them from what's going on in their everyday lives. So make sure to go check them out. Go check out their website and go volunteer if you can. Go give if you can. Give a little donation. Anything you can do can help. So, in getting started with today's video, I recently posted a video about my 87 IROC that I've still got that was for sale. Well, it's sold. So, I'm kind of shocked. I wasn't expecting it to sell that quickly, honestly. I mean, I guess I don't know. I wasn't expecting it to sell and I wasn't, but I'm happy it did. But on the same note, I've had the car for 6 years and I don't know, I built it with my own two hands. You know, that was the car that I restored through high school, and you know, so many memories and everything else, you know, just learning wise with it. It's been a crazy experience. It's been an awesome car to have. You know, and it's going to Texas too, by the way. So I won't even get to see the car driving around, whatever. So it'll be kind of sad. There's going to be a hole in the garage for it. I'm going to miss it. So we're driving over to M1 Concourse right now, obviously where the car is located, and I'm having a truck driver meet me, and we're going to load the truck on there today and say our farewells. But Richard, down in Texas, man, I hope you enjoy the car. Enjoy as much as I did. It's a blast. I'm going to miss it. All right, what's up, guys? We're back in the M1 garage. Got the IROC ready to go. And unfortunately, I just got a call from the truck driver, and he was on Texas time, so I'm an hour early. So now I get to wash the SS, so we're going to clean that up a little bit. But I got the plate off the car, I've got the title, the bill of sale, there's an extra steering wheel for it, the original steering wheel. But this is it. This is the last day I'm going to have this car. So we'll go ahead and pull her out. Alright, so while we're waiting for the trucker to show up, Buddy Dylan showed up. He's cleaning his car, race car Taurus, and then I'm washing my car with some spray wax by KBS. That did not sound good. I think someone just spun it on the track. Is that what that sounded like?
It sounded like a burnout to me.
It sounded like someone spun out.
Let's go take a peek.
That was the sound of tires breaking free from the road. Trying out KBS Car Care spray wax. I've never used it before. It's specially formulated in Europe. It's not like Chemical Guys or Adams where they rebrand the same stuff. It's actually handcrafted per se. So we're going to give it a shot, and I'm going to update you guys in a future video on how I like it and how it's worked so far. But that's what we're using today to clean the car. All right, last drive in the IROC. Like he's just pulling up. Say goodbye.
Here he is.
All right. We'll see ya. Last drive. I can't believe it. You're taking it on an open trailer. I can't believe you're driving an open trailer with the car. What's up, man, James?
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm fucked up now. I don't want to go back to work.
Oh man, I know.
I want to hang out.
For sure. Do I just pull behind it? Okay. Hope you don't mind. I got a YouTube channel. I'm recording my last hurrah with the Camaro.
Hey, man.
All right, this is it. It's getting loaded up on the truck. The car's officially gonna be gone. It's a sad day. It's a sad day, Dylan.
Yeah, I mean, it's slow, so good thing you're getting rid of it.
Dude, I've been with this car for 6 years. It's going to Texas. Probably never gonna see it again.
Probably not.
Make a trip to Texas?
Make a trip to Texas and run it.
We're going to Texas, we're gonna buy it in 10 years.
All right.
This car's gonna come back, I guarantee it. Mark my words, the car's gonna come back.
I'm gonna hold you to it.
Dude, I literally can't see this thing go.
You better have the VIN number written down, because if it's not the same VIN.
Oh, I do. This is the first time a complete stranger's driven my car, by the way.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never gotten the drive.
You wanna drive it?
Yeah. Hold on. I gotta show my camera.
Oh, you killed it! I can't believe this is actually happening right now. This is crazy. This is absolutely insane. I never thought I'd sell this car and it's actually gone. Hey James, you want to give her some final revs for me? There you go. Oh, I'm gonna miss it. That's the sound of some American bald eagles right there. Oh man, dude, I'm gonna miss this thing so much.
Should've rode my bike.
The IROC-Z gone. I'm sad though, the car's gone. What are we gonna do?
You gonna go buy some?
All right, guys, well, that means you have to subscribe because in 10 years we're going to Houston to buy the car back.
Buy a goat.
I'm not buying a goat. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and see if we buy the car in the future because I think it's gonna happen. I don't know. Dylan's gonna make me buy it.
I'm holding Mike too, whether the guy wants to sell it or not.
All right, what do you think I should buy next? What's my next toy? Track car? Motorcycle, something fun.
Motorcycle.
Let me know. Drop a like on the video, comment what I should buy, and subscribe to see the car come back in the future.